Hello, Blue Ocean of Compliance readers. Actually, it has been so long that we have spoke to each other, and after so long, when I was in the Goa, at that time I recorded the message for you, and after that, today I am recording this message, right? So I was returning from one audit, and I was working with the company for the preparation of the regulatory inspections, and I was returning from there, and I thought that I should visit this beach as you love that my book name is Blue Ocean of Compliance. My company's name is also Blue Ocean Compliance. So wherever I see the opportunity to visit the ocean, I never miss it. Yeah. So today again I have come on the beach and I am recording the message for all of you. So I would again ask the same question, that how your reading of my book Blue Ocean of Compliance is going on, and whether you are implementing the learnings of the book or not. And after reading only at once will give you benefit, but reading it again and again will give you a new learning every time. You know that any book, if we read only at the once, so we learn something. But if we want to get the mastery of anything, so we have to repeat that act or action again and again. Then we become the master of that activity or thing. So you know that we all are quality and compliance professionals. So in our life, the audit plays a very important role. So many people might be thinking that, oh my God, why these audits are happening again and again, and we are in the stress and our life becomes so difficult at the time of the audit. But let me tell you that audits are new business opportunities for every pharma manufacturer or pharmaceutical industries, and we should love to be inspected. And for that, there is one thought process with which, if you will follow that thought process, if you will follow those practices which I have mentioned in the Blue Ocean of Compliance book, so at the time of inspection you will be very peaceful and without stress, and you will sure that you will qualify the regulatory inspection effortlessly. You know, I have 2-3 case studies where my clients have qualified the regulatory inspection with no observation. The qualified the inspection with no critical or no major observation. So I really recommend you to read my book Blue Ocean of Compliance, not only once but again and again and again. And if you haven't read even once, then I will suggest you that you read it at once. So it is going to help you to observe many things, many invisible non-compliances reasons. Means many times we think the reason of non-compliance is some reason, but there are many invisible things which are responsible for the non-compliance on the site, and those invisible things you will find in my book Blue Ocean of Compliance. And after reading that book, you will start observing the things which you have never observed in your career. So read that book. And another thing is, I would like to share the experience with you that whenever you are working with your team, so your goal and your team's goal should be same. Then only your organization will behave in the direction in which you want to take the organization. So I think you might have seen my TEDx talk in which I have discussed about my GAP framework, means G for goal, A for audit, and P for people. So this is the secret recipe I have found after observing so many things, after reading many warning letters, and after my experience, means 22 years of experience in pharmaceutical industry. So you apply that framework and you see that you will get the result. And I'm also applying and I'm getting the results. My clients are applying and they are also getting the results. Now it's your turn. So when I can get the result, my clients are getting the results, so you can also get the results. Just apply those things on your side and you will get the result. And obviously in one class there are many students and the same teacher is teaching to all the students, but the result of exams are different for different students. So similarly, even one thing is written in the book and only one thing I am repeating again and again, so that it is going to be the part of your thought process, but the result you will be getting based on your understanding and based on your understanding and based on the depth of understanding also. Not only understanding but understanding in depth. When you will understand this concept in depth, so you will be able to qualify the regulatory inspection easily. And obviously the thought process behind qualifying the regulatory inspection must be to heal the patient and to save the life of people. So you will get more result, means better result than you must be thinking. Okay, so today this was my message for all of you, to all Blue Ocean of Compliance readers. And whenever I will visit any other seashore, so again I will record the message for you. For today, these were the thoughts I wanted to share with you, and experience also that my clients have qualified the regulatory inspection with 0483 and qualified the regulatory EDQM with no major or no critical observations. Now it's your turn, so make use of it, read the book, and also work on the invisible factors which I have discussed there. Okay, so all the best, and take the actions, because without action there is no result, and only learning and not applying the knowledge and not taking the action is never going to help anyone. So all the best for the action. Okay, so Dr. Rupali Paranjape signing out until we meet again. Thank you, bye.